To transfer XRP from Coinbase to MetaMask, start by opening the MetaMask app and clicking the icon at the top of the screen. This will display a list of networks. Select the BNB Smart Chain or Manatee option. Next, click on the Import Token option at the bottom of the screen. Then search for XRP in the search bar. Check the box next to XRP and click Next, followed by Import. This will enable XRP in your MetaMask. Click on the XRP option from the dashboard. Then click Receive to obtain your XRP wallet address. Copy the address by clicking the Copy Address button. Open the Coinbase app. Click Transfer, and then Send. Search for XRP and select it from the search results. Paste the wallet address you copied from MetaMask into the designated field, and click the icon or option to proceed. Enter the amount you want to transfer, ensuring that the same network used in MetaMask is selected in Coinbase. Click Preview to review the details. Then confirm that the wallet address and amount are correct. Finally, click Send Now to initiate the transfer. By following these steps, your XRP will be successfully transferred from Coinbase to MetaMask. The process is quick and easy, and it's essential to complete all the steps carefully to ensure a smooth transfer.